2004 Nitro NX898 bass boat for sale. 200 horsepower Mercury fuel injection engine with only 73 hours on there. Let's talk about the storage in the back of the boat. Starboard side storage here, deep, and then inside 20 motor batteries. Move over to the center. There's a live well. Got a divider. Keep the bass separate. Over here, port side storage. Same thing. Storage. 20 motor batteries up front. Storage here. In the back section, we have starting battery, primer, oil reservoirs. It's a 2-stroke. Some storage back here. Battery chargers. 3-seater vinyl seats. Trash can. Cooler. Port side rod storage. You can get about 15 rods in there. 12. My mistake, 12 rods. Starboard side storage. It's all open. You can get rods in there too if you want. Another storage here with a drain hole, not a live well, just a storage. Tackle storage. And there. Trolling motor is broken, does not work. Oh, technology. Remember, it's 2004 boat, bass boat. Father-in-law had it. Going 73 hours on the motor. All right, so that's pretty much it for a bass boat.